Hello guys, welcome to another video. Here we bring you another tutorial video on how to trace your copyright video on YouTube. I will take you straight to the point concerning this issue. I'm going to show you how you can trace your copyright inside YouTube Studio, because many people have been complaining to me that they have not been able to trace their copyright in YouTube Studio, and they don't know when it is copyright or when their videos are not copyright or they don't contain copyright on it. So now I'm going to take you straight to the point why I continue to explain. Okay, for the purpose of slow learners, I'm going to be taking this video in a slow way so that those who are slow learners can quickly understand. This is the first thing you do. This is your screen, and one of the reasons that make me to use a phone to do this particular video is because most YouTube beginners go as far as using phones to carry their YouTube activities. So that is why we choose to use this phone to do this video. Okay, follow it up carefully. The first app you are going to click on your phone, you can use Chrome. You click on Chrome. This is Chrome here. You click Chrome. The moment you click Chrome, this is what you see inside. The second option you do is, you see this 3 bar up here, the 3 bars up here, 3 dots. You see 3 dots up here. You click on it, and then now you have to change your device to look like a desktop. Now this is desktop. Inside here there's a small box here. You click inside the small box. You have ticked it, and as you tick it, this is how the end result is. It has been confirmed that you have ticked it, and from then now you can move forward. Now it is ticked now, and the next step you are going to take now is you click now on the search bar. When you click on the search bar, automatically you see some options there, but I have searched YouTube already, and you can see www.youtube.com at the top here. So I click on www.youtube. When you click on www.youtube, the next thing you see here are some options, but unfortunately I have 2 accounts here, so I have to swap now to the TV's account, which is this one. I swap it there. Now I put it here, and you see this is how it appears. You write www.youtube.com and then you search. This is how it appears. At this level, I'm going to be zooming this video so that it can come closer and you see the reaction well. So I take it slowly so that you can see it better. Like this, I take it slowly. You see there are many options inside here. You see YouTube channel, YouTube music, YouTube this, YouTube that. But unfortunately our focus is YouTube Studio, where we are going to be doing our works. This is YouTube Studio, and then the next thing you have to do here is you click on YouTube Studio. The moment you click on YouTube Studio, it will load, and this is how you will see the results. Right now, this is how our YouTube Studio looks like inside. At this point in time, the next thing that you are going to do here is, I am going to take it slowly for the purpose of slow learners. I know some of you are very smart and you can quickly grab these things, and that is why I'm taking you slowly. Maybe you have entered YouTube Studio and you already know how to get to this level, but our main purpose and objective is to trace copyright. Now I take it like this, I zoom it like this, and then I shift it this way. The moment I shift it this way, I bring it up, I shift it. You see here, you see many options here. You see even dollars option, music, analysis options, and these 3 bars, this particular video option like this is what you click on. Look at it carefully. I bring it to you so that you can see it carefully. This is video option. I click on this video option. The moment I click on this video option, it will load automatically, and when it loads automatically, it will show you a lot of things there. Now I have to zoom in now carefully inward so that you can see how the dashboard looks like. At this point in time, this is how the dashboard looks like, and right here you see all your videos that you have uploaded on YouTube. They all appear here, and you can check a lot of things inside this same studio. But our point of focus is how to trace a copyright video, how to trace copyright and know that this video contains copyright. Okay, now I take it back, I zoom it like this. At the top of your video, you see a 3 bar, like an upside down triangle, which is already showing there. Now you click, you see here, this is it. You see it here, but this is what you are going to touch. You see filter. this is filter. I zoom it to you, I bring it, you see clearly. If you cannot see clearly, guys, please take note. I'm going to show you this. You see, that is it. When I click on it, you will see these options that will appear. Let me zoom it inward so that you can see. When I click on it, filter, this is what you see. Let me zoom it inward. This is filter. When I click on it, you will see options that will show there. Copyright, you see copyright claims, description, made for kids, title, view. This is how you see it. And then the next thing now you are going to do is, now you click on copyright claims. Oh my god, right here you see copyright claim, but unfortunately we know these things and we cannot keep copyrights because they will stop us from being monetized each time we'll get our requirements that YouTube needs. And that is why I'm doing this video, so that you don't suffer, you labor overnight, and then at the end of the day your channel is not being monetized because of copyright claims, because you put somebody's music, or because you went and took a video somewhere and added in your video and it contains copyright and they stop the whole of your video. So that is how this video is. Thank you guys, and at this point in time I'm going to be doing another video. Unfortunately, I'm going to upload a video that contains copyright for this purpose of this tutorial, so that by the time I get in here, I will see the video that will appear here under copyright claims, and I will delete it, so that each time you go and check your video, you see copyright, you'll be able to bring it down. And I'll also be doing another video on how you can delete the copyright. And after that, we'll be doing another video. Anything that you want to learn on YouTube, please, you can let us know, so that we'll do the video for you, and we'll greatly appreciate to know your own views. Thank you. And then you can take steps back like this, like the backward key right down here. You click backward, backward, backward. This is your dashboard. Backward, backward, backward. Automatically you come back to your screen. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Anything that you want to learn concerning YouTube rules and the rest, please let us know. Thank you very much. We appreciate you out there. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell, the subscription button and the notification bell, and also follow SNNET TV Solution News Network on Facebook, and then on Twitter, Instagram, and the rest. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.